Today, we have a diabolical build. Something that nobody is gonna wanna skate. You know what? I'm not saying that anyone has to skate this. I'm just gonna build this and whatever happens, happens.
All right.
So we have that behind us, in which you've seen JD has skated a rail on it, but we have taken the rail out. And yesterday while we were filming Braille Army videos, Uzi puts it up to the 3 block and he's like, And that was it.
Mowgli was always saying, we gotta build a 3-block rail, we gotta build a 3-block rail. And like, this is the vision of what, I mean.
It's like the brute vision. He wanted just nice, mellow 3-block rail. This is like gap out street league death rail, basically. But Ricky's here. He's gonna tell me which way he wants it, and then I'm going to be put in charge of building it and securing it.
Let's show them what we're doing.
So I think yesterday he had it so that, oh God. This is what we have to look forward to. Is that the way, Rick?
Mowgli would have loved this one.
That's exactly what Ricky just said.
But it's like, you wouldn't want it any different, really.
I'm just gonna secure this to the 3-block, and if people just want to look at it and never skate it, then we'll just scrap this. But if someone wants to send a back, if someone wants to send a backboard, then that's it.
50.
50 over board?
Yeah, 50, it puts less weight on it.
All right, to each their own. All right, well, you guys just go hang about, do whatever you feel is correct. You know what song I have stuck in my head? Feel the rain on your skin. Dude, my tailbone is so sore. JD, you see my fall yesterday? Yeah. That sucked. Oh, don't fall and break my head, please. Not gonna lie, I don't think a pin is needed. I think gravity will hold it down. Could be wrong, but. Well, brothers, this is either gonna be the most secure rail or the sketchiest rail ever built, and there's no in between.
Hey, sometimes a pile of rubble is just what we need. I mean, it's pretty solid. I think it's about as solid as I could have made it.
Yeah, for sure. Honestly, this is Mowgli's dream. We're living Mowgli's dream.
Should we FaceTime him?
Yeah.
Let's FaceTime him.
Oh.
There he is.
Yo.
How's it going?
I'm going at like 68 miles per hour.
Hell yeah, brother. I got something I wanted to show you.
I made something. I thought you would like it.
I think I already know.
Really? How?
Nigel sent me a clip and I peeped in the background.
Damn it, Nigel.
We were just saying we're living your dream right now.
I know, that looks sick as All I see is a back flip, a crook, and a front feeble.
Wow.
Dang, you got high hopes
You're
for us.
going to have to drive up if you want all those tricks to go down, brother.
Is it really gnarly?
We haven't skated yet. It reminds me of the rail that we skated on the all-terrain tour at that park where it's like gap in the center. Remember that one?
No way.
Yeah, if it's just like a tiny bit bigger, I guess.
Damn, I'm so hyped. There's so much going on. I have to like actually plan a trip up there. I'm sorry I haven't been up there.
Hell yeah.
It's all right, Mo. I hope everything's good with you.
Everything's great. Just a lot of busyness. That's it.
That's good.
Love it.
All right, well, we're going to skate it.
We'll shred this thing for you, Mo. We'll talk to you soon.
Please, if you do a crook, a back flip, and a front people, that'd be the best.
All right, hell yeah.
We'll see what we can do.
All right, see you, brother. Okay.
Yeah, if he wants to come up and do those himself.
I will do a 50-50.
You got crook.
Yeah.
You just gotta slow sanity.
You think it's safe?
Yeah, I think so.
I think I secured it well enough to do a few tricks on it. I think we should wait for Glow. I have no idea where he's at.
I wanna see his reaction.
Well, let me show Nigel. Nigel, I did it.
What'd you do?
I did it.
What'd you do?
You know what I did.
What'd you do?
You know what I did. You want to come see it real quick?
Is it
5
solid?
seconds? 20 seconds?
Is it solid?
It is solid.
How do we know it's solid? Did anybody try it?
Because I built it. Are you good?
Because you built it.
Because I built it.
Oh, that looks terrifying. I don't know if I... You almost fell walking, and I'm supposed to trust your build right
My
now?
Crocs are slippery. They're
Oh,
kind of old.
dude, there's no excuses. Put them in X Games
That
mode.
doesn't make the bottom any less slippery.
That's a lie.
Let's go ahead. Take a feel. come on, Jones. You think I would put you guys in jeopardy like that?
Who's gonna try it first?
I don't know. We're hoping that Glow and Uzi come soon so they can see it as well.
Can I try it?
I mean, if you want. Do you really want to? You want to like warm up or something?
Nah, I feel like this is a first try thing.
I mean, yeah, you're right.
It's like the 7th stair, just
Can we
with
grab the jack?
just more death.
I mean, you're 100% correct.
It's the only thing I'm thinking of is Fremont. It's Fremont, just without the free. That felt good.
I just wanted to show you. You don't have to skate it. No one has to skate it.
I'll wait for the boys. I'm gonna go finish my lesson.
Come on now. Come on now.
It's massive.
Good morning, brother. Woo!
I might set up a brand new board for this one.
You should. Blue trucks.
No, no blue truckies.
Good morning, Dan.
What's going on?
Notice anything different about the place?
Oh, the rail. First thing in the morning. Bro,
No, I just want you to check it out.
we should be golfers.
All right, we ready?
All right.
Are we doing it?
The rest of the gang is here. We got Mowgli's spirit in our soul. And I think let's do the cliche 3-stair, 5-stair, 3-block. Now that we have actual 3 rails too, not just stairs.
That seems safe.
One down. I feel like back 50 is my trick on big stuff that I like to do.
Yeah.
It's like safe. Alright, is the time up?
I don't know, Rick. You tell
I'm
me.
down to do it.
Are you warm? Are you feeling good? You want me to tell Nigel you're doing it? Yeah. The team is gonna do it if you want to join. Oh yeah, this thing is massive. How was
Why did
it?
I jump off? That was good. It was good.
Is it
Skate's
sticky
good.
or all right?
I didn't feel it wobble at all.
I got your back.
How was my creation?
Honestly, fantastic job. It feels like a good rail. Doesn't feel like a sketchy build. It just feels like it's meant to be there. I feel like maybe we could even make it that it's meant to, like, goes back in.
Yeah.
Probably could. It's pretty fun but scary.
How was it, Jones?
I sent that off of pure adrenaline.
How was it?
Rick did it and he said, get my back. And I was like, well, I can't not get his back.
That was sick. Back to back to back.
All right, well, we might revisit this later, so I'm gonna stop it here. But if they want to do it, then they'll do it a little bit later.
What would you rate my build?
I think high. I was a skeptic at first with the rubble, but I would say 9 out of 10.
Wow.
Very
I
skatable.
was thinking
Wow.
the same thing.
9 out of 10. Nigel, would you like to rate
I only
the
did
rail?
one trick on it. But I'm gonna have to get it like an 8.5 out of 10.
I gotta
Wow.
go to an 8. The only reason why is because it's a little crooked front side. It looks scary front side. But other than that, it's pretty perfect.
Wow. Okay. All right. I see how it is.
Yep.
We're fighting.
I didn't sack it, so you know what? You might get an 8.77 just for me not sacking it,
Thank you.
because this is a very sackable
I
like.
sacked it 10 out of 10.
I was gonna say
Oh.
if you sack it, that's your fault. So why would you?
If you build a rail you can sack, that's a good build.
Oh, I'm stuck. Oh, yeah. All of this is dangerous. This is in my gut. Pause. The rail. Pause. I'm gonna go now. Not pause.
All right, well, that was a success. We wanted to do some tricks. They did tricks, and that's the end of the video. See you next time.